Controlling the infotainment system easily while driving is a critical component of reducing driver distraction and a huge plus in the convenience category. Vehicle manufacturers often include at least basic functionality like volume or track or tuning controls on the steering wheel while driving, and our Sony car radios are compatible with some vehicles right out of the box. Most modern vehicles that have steering wheel controls from the factory will require a third-party adapter or integration module to make them work correctly with an aftermarket radio when it is installed. There are several manufacturers that make these parts, and they can range from universal designs that work with many vehicles, maybe with some programming or software updates for that specific vehicle applied to model-specific solutions that only work with a few vehicle models. In either case, a Sony car radio can work with these solutions right out of the box. To set your Sony car radio to work with an aftermarket third-party integration adapter or module, follow these steps. 1. Press your settings icon. 2. Select steering control or steering wheel settings. This title may vary by model. 3. Turn off custom or set it to preset. This is the default factory settings for most Sony car radios. 4. Connect the pre-configured or pre-programmed third-party adapter to the remote or blue input on the back of the radio. 5. Press home to return to the home screen. 6. Press the steering wheel button to confirm proper operations before finalizing the installation. So, what is the custom setting for, and is it applicable to the vehicle you're installing the radio in? The custom setting, which will allow the connection of steering wheel control inputs from the vehicle directly to the radio with no third-party integration module or adapter, might be an option in the vehicle it's being installed in if it meets certain criteria. You will need to locate, identify, and test the wires to determine their connection to the radio. If you're not familiar with how to test vehicle circuits or require assistance determining whether this model is compatible with the vehicle, seek a certified professional installation technician. The custom mode will detect negative or ground-based resistance ladder type inputs to determine whether a button is being pressed on the steering wheel, and it allows you to program it to a corresponding command that is available on the radio. This feature can save the cost and configuration time required with a third-party integration device, which could be a benefit. If you've determined that the vehicle can provide compatible steering wheel control signals, and you've properly identified the vehicle wires and securely connected them, we will help you quickly set this feature up using the following steps. 1. Press your settings icon. 2. Select steering control or steering wheel settings. This title may vary by the model. 3. Locate the custom toggle and set it to on. 4. Click the wrench or gear icon to begin programming setup. 5. Follow directions on the radio screen to begin programming the function. In general, you will press or hold the steering wheel button until the radio recognizes it, and then press and hold the button on the Sony car radio to program that button press to that radio function command. 6. Once complete, press OK, then press home to return to the home screen. 7. Press the steering wheel buttons to confirm proper operation before finalizing the installation. We have designed our products to give you ultimate flexibility to accommodate different installation types, and we hope your installation and setup are successful. I'm Geoff with Sony. Thank you so much for checking out this video on setting your Sony AV car radio for vehicle steering wheel control operations. Check out our other videos to explore other Sony car audio product features or tips to properly set them up. See you next time.